Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? You're welcome to Financial Trading Culture Series, an episode that comes up every day, Monday to Friday, on Mayowa TV. And our goal is to educate you on how to leverage in the financial market. And we've been consistently been helping you with the Forex market. Guys, I'm pumped up about you guys' feedback. Thank you so much. If this is your first time coming on this channel, you want to click on the subscriber button because there's still a lot that we have in stock for you. Make sure you click on the notification bell also so that you will not miss it. And make sure you also comment because I want to get your feedback if this is helping you. And for those who have been commenting, thank you so much. Super excited. And today's topic, we're dealing with entry strategy part 2. In the part 1, I shared with you how you can approach the market using the confirmation entry and the risk entry. And if you missed and you've not watched that video, make sure you go to the channel and make sure you watch that part of the video. I will try and also attach it to the description so that you will definitely not miss it. Okay, and in today's session, it's going to be amazing. Get your pen as usual. I want to share with you this in this part 2. I want to share with you another amazing techniques. Now, the first one I'm going to share with you is called the 50%. The 50% buy to sell candle or sell to buy candle. So we can call it order block. Okay? We can call it order block. Good. So how does this work? Now, whenever I see a chart and it's giving me, it's on an uptrend, all I need to do is to come to the roots of it and put my Fibonacci on 50%. Then that will be my entry. Now, when the market comes back into it, my stop loss will be below it, but I'm going to be trading the 50% of this sell candle. Remember, there will always be a sell candle that gave the right move. So once I go in, then that will be my first take profit is 1 to 5. My second take profit is Fibonacci extension, depending on your approach to trading. Or you can do 1 to 5, then your TP2 will be the previous high. So this can be your TP1. This can be your TP2. So likewise for a sell, if you want to go in, you look for the buy candle, the last buy candle here, then you're going to do a 50% entry on it. Then market comes back here, then it drops. So you put your stop loss and you. Now, what this does, it allows you to have what is called set and forget. Now, I love to use this a lot of time because of my approach of trading. But if you can implement it, it will be a very, very good one for you. So let's check for examples of this kind of entries. You can see it often on any chart. However, you have to also look for it so that you will not miss out of it. So I'm trying to get fantastic. So you can see here right now, we have a what? A higher low, a higher high, a higher low that is yet to create a higher high. However, the market has been showing a bullish momentum on higher time frame. So because of that, I want to trade the last bearish candle that was created here. That will be where I will put my 50% entry. So I'll bring out my fib, then the last. Now, this is not the last red because you want to deal with the one that has the low. You want to deal with the one that has the lowest low. So this is not your last bearish candle because this low is lower than this low. So you will use this as your what? As your 50%, sorry, as your sell to buy candle. So this will be a 50% entry. So we expect the market to come into it. And you see that? No be juju be that. Yeah. So this is it. So this becomes your entry. And this becomes your stop loss. So this is about 8 pips. Then take profit 1 to 5. Take profit 1 to 5. Then take profit 2, depending on your approach of trading. You can come out at 1 to 10. If you're not using Fibonacci, you can do 1 to 10. Then immediately 1 to 5 is banked. You want to start moving your what? You break even and you keep following it and you're good to go. So this is a nice 50% candle. Now, and it's always, it's common everywhere. It's common everywhere. This is another one. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this is the sell candle that created this buy candle. Okay? The sell candle that created the buy candle. So all you need to do is bring up the 50% rule here. So this becomes your entry. No matter what, this looks very perfect. It's because you've not practiced it. It's because you've not been taught before. And this will be your what? Your entry. This is 23 pips, 1 to 5, take profit 1, then 1 to 10, if you guess there. Okay. This is 1 to 8. So this is how to get it done for 50% entry strategy. Now let me see if I can get a sell scenario. %. I'm not seeing a higher, low, higher, high. Lower high, lower low. I need to see the trend. So this is another one that we can use. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So having said that, you go and look for the last bearish candle. Okay. Then bring in your what? 50%. And that will become your what? Your entry. Good. Then we go in on this. It's about 4 pips. You don't want to do exactly. You want to put your some brooms. You want to put 1 or 2 pips above so that once it hits it, you can drop with ease. So this is a good 1 to what? This is a good 1 to 23 risk reward, which is very, very good. Okay. I have a trade that is running on this particular trade right now. And this is the 50% after the break of structure. So I used this 50%. So this becomes the entry. Okay. So what I did was that I was able to narrow it. I went as far as 15 minutes to get this guy. After this break of structure. After this break of structure, I was able to capture this guy. Okay. I think I went in on a normal, I went in on the other block, on this other block. I didn't do 50%. But if you have done 50%, it would have also been a good entry for you. Here. Okay. The same rule, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, entry, 50%. Okay. So this would be your entry. This would be your stop loss. Okay. So I didn't go in on this order. I went in on this order block. Okay. So that was my own entry. And right now, AUD USD have given over 1 to 11, which is not a bad trade at all. Okay, so it's very important that we master this kind of approach. The 50% entry is a very, very good one, and you're good to go. Okay, so we want this video to be longer than this, so we're going to stop this video right now here. Then in part 3, I'm going to share with you the next one. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and don't forget, if this is your first time, click on the subscriber button. Make sure you join, you come watch every other video, and we're good to go. And if you're interested in the mentorship session, make sure you can reach us on the link below, on ITC registration form, so you can join our community for $100 per month subscription, or you come in on a one-on-one mentorship, which I strongly recommend, because that has helped me as a trader, having been here over 5 years. Guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share the video. And I look forward to your success. My name remains Mayowa, Owolabi, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.